Have you ever wondered about the different types of upper limb injuries? Today, we're diving into the complex world of these injuries, from the common to the rare, and everything in between. The upper limb comprises various sections of the spinal cord, including the cervical spine from C1 to C7, located around the neck, and the thoracic spine from T1 to T12, found behind the chest area. We begin with whiplash, a common injury often resulting from a forceful, rapid back-and-forth movement of the neck. This injury frequently occurs due to rear-end car collisions and typically requires pain medication and exercises for treatment. Recovery from whiplash often spans several months. Next, we turn to hand or arm injuries, the most common in workers' compensation. These injuries often occur due to machine-related accidents, repetitive movements, or overuse due to tasks such as typing. Rotator cuff tear is another prevalent injury, resulting from the tearing of any one of the 4 shoulder muscles. This injury can cause pain, a dull ache, and movement difficulties. Treatment can include rest, ice, activity modification, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and in severe cases, corticosteroid injections or arthroscopic surgery. We also explore frozen shoulder, a condition where scar tissue causes the shoulder capsule to become thick and tight, reducing synovial fluid. This leads to pain and limited movement, typically caused by repetitive movement, overuse, or age. Recovery can take anywhere from 1 to 3 years, with treatment focusing on increasing range of motion exercises and injections. Finally, we delve into carpal tunnel syndrome, a condition resulting from a damaged nerve in the wrist. Symptoms include hand weakness and unsmooth finger movements. Treatment options include rest, splinting, cortisone injection, fluid tablets, and in severe cases, surgery. In summary, upper limb injuries are diverse, with treatments varying based on the type and severity of the injury. From whiplash to carpal tunnel syndrome, understanding these injuries is crucial in fostering a safer, healthier environment for everyone. So the next time you hear about an upper limb injury, you'll know exactly what it means, how it's treated, and how it can be prevented.